Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to lock Google Classroom assignments. So, first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your classes, and after that, you should be able to see here classwork at the top. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the list of assignment that you have. And if you don't have an assignment yet, you can just simply create a new one over here. Just simply select assignment or the others. Now just simply provide a title over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for test 2 and provide an instructions over here. And after that, from here, in order for you to lock Google Classroom assignment, you can just simply select due date over here and provide a due date. So let's say the due date will be today and click on OK. And just simply provide a time over here, guys. So let's say I'm gonna go for 11:30 a.m. and just simply enter. And after that, you will have now this option over here, close submission after due date. So make sure to check this box. And from here, when the due date comes, it will automatically be locked and student cannot access it anymore. And you can just simply select assign. And from there, you should be able to lock the assignment after the due date. And now if you want to edit it out, you can just simply select the three dots over here and select edit, and just simply provide a due date over here on your assignment, and it will be just the same process over here. And you should be able to have this option now once you provided a due date. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.